Hi everybody. It is Wednesday about 11:15 and I just wanted to come on and check in with you again. I know that getting the codes for each task is frustrating some of you because we have run into some typos on how to get the codes. Okay, so I'm going to make this a lot easier for you. Okay, so when you open the task, okay, task 1 is this one, okay, so when you open this, let me move it over, solve all of these problems by moving the arrows, like I said yesterday, okay, but then don't worry about the codes anymore, okay? Once you have this complete, share the document with me, okay? So just like you always would with Google Slides or Google Documents, go up here and share it with me, okay? And then that will give you credit for completing the task, okay? Again, don't worry about the codes anymore and putting the codes in the actual website. Okay, so when you are back at this website, you can open up task 2 by clicking on it without having to put in the code. Okay, so task 2 looks like this. You have all these, if I can move them, you can move these around, okay? So you are answering these questions, moving the blue answers over the correct answers, okay? Again, once you are done solving all of these, okay, come over here and share your Google slide with me. That will give you credit for solving task 2. Don't worry about the codes anymore. Task 3 looks like this. Okay, now you are finding equivalent ratios. This is for tomorrow. And so since there is no code that I'm asking you to find anymore, then write it down, send me a screenshot of your work and send it to me, okay? If you can figure out the code and you want to continue with the codes, that is fine, but I'm giving you an option not to do the codes anymore for credit. Okay, task 4 looks like this. It's word problems that you will need to work through. This is a Google form that they have created, so you should be able to do this one just fine and put in your answers here to go to the next one. Okay, if it won't let you go to the next one, it will tell you if you're wrong and you need to try again. Okay, but task 4 should be very doable. It's a Google form. Okay, and then task 5, again, you can open up task 5 without having to put in the codes. So again, this is wanting me to make a copy of it. It's making a copy, it's downloading. Okay, here it is. So you have to solve this riddle. Okay, so, oh, hey, look at that. So you have to solve this. Again, don't worry about the code. If you are struggling with that, just send me a screenshot and share the document with me over here in the corner. Okay, I hope this helps relieve some frustration that you are having with gathering the codes. And you will get credit for the work. Just send me your images.